So to preface this, recently I bought my wife this P31 C63 AMG. Super cool. She has been begging me to get an exhaust for the car. Over the years, she's gotten used to loud cars, and now she actually likes it. So she really wanted this exact exhaust. I've used ARMYTRIX for a lot of my cars before, but she really loves the Valvetronic stuff. So I got her that. She has no idea. So the reaction you're about to see is 100% real, nothing staged. She had no idea. DHL? Huh? Wonder what he's got. I don't know. It's not a very big van, so it can't be very big car parts. I'm really confused. I don't know what's coming from DHL.
Wheels?
Maybe it's wheels?
Oh.
Huh?
ARMYTRIX?
ARMYTRIX? What could that be?
I'm about to cry. Seriously?
Is that it?
What the hell?
I had to be so secret about it. I even paid them on PayPal and I deleted. That's why I took your phone the other day. I deleted the email so you didn't see it.
Oh my Christ.
Are you excited?
So excited.
You were begging me the other day for an exhaust. It's like, it's coming, I promise. That's so funny. You need help? Are you surprised?
I'm so surprised. You were sneaky with that.
All right. Turn the lights on.
Don't break it. It's so funny. So I saw like this, not even like, I literally saw like 2 words. I'm like, that looks like the ARMYTRIX font. And then he pulled it out.
It's just supposed to be here Monday, so it's way
It came early.
So this was completely unexpected this early, and so that's why I'm on my phone right now. Let me go get my camera. Well, you can unbox it. Cheers. This is 100% your exhaust.
Thanks.
We gotta unbox it with the car in the background. Oh, this car is so sick. You ready to see it?
I don't even know which one you got me.
Pretty much the one you wanted. Well, get to unboxing. So this car is the P31 package, and to my understanding, it does have a slightly different exhaust than the regular AMGs, which is a nice one. It's a little bit louder, but as you can tell from the startup, it could be louder. It's a big 6.2 liter V8. It's a big motor, and they sound incredible. What? Well, you're gonna have to get the opening. I really want to see it.
Okay.
Somewhere by the Evo over here, we've got some stiff. Here we go. All right, weapon of choice. I'm doing to say a big thanks to ARMYTRIX. We've worked with them for a while. We've had a lot of different exhausts from them. My R35 actually has an ARMYTRIX right now with the carbon fiber tips, and it sounds incredible. These exhausts are just so amazing. They sound incredible, look incredible. I'm so excited that you were so surprised. Your reaction was actually so like real, it almost looked fake. All right, yeah, you gotta remember there's peanuts everywhere.
But we're in a shop, it's not gonna blow around.
Yeah, but then I gotta clean it up. And this is 100% yours. Pretty much anything that happens on this car is, I mean, it's all Victoria, so, because it's your car, you drive around. I don't want you guys to think that like, I'm modifying the car the way I wanted to. She really wanted this exhaust.
I always ask for his opinion, and he knows, I mean, you know everything car stuff, so. But you let me pick stuff out.
I'm so excited for this. Let's get a shovel and just start scooping some of these peanuts out. Yeah, so first things first, there's a lot of exhaust in here, so just get it all like laid out first. I'm not gonna touch anything. This is your unboxing. All I'm doing for once, I'm actually just gonna be filming. I was gonna say, just grab that guy, and just scoop the hell out of it, and then get a lot of it on the floor. Damn! Oof, that's a lot of exhaust. That's a big one. Oh, you're already making a mess at this point, just commit. This is always my favorite box. That's got the goods. Open it up, open it up. Got it, I believe in you. So that's the Valvetronic part. You're gonna keep that on your keychain. We'll
That's how I
install that.
changed the like.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Hardware?
You've seen me open these up enough times, you probably know exactly what it all is. Ooh, I can't wait to see all these unboxed. So I mean, that's a 3-inch pipe. It's gonna be a dual 3-inch all the way back. That's nice.
I think this is what's funny, is like Christmas morning, we were raised so different where like you just tear into stuff. And I'm like so meticulous about.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're sitting here taking your time. I'm like, get it open. I wanna see it. Let's see, anything else? I think we're about done.
Nope.
Oh, there's something else for sure. Oh boy. Okay, so that's 2. Okay, so we got 2 mufflers. And then after we get this, oh, that's your tips. Nice. And then after this, we'll have Ethan tune it and go faster. Really? All right, so it looks like you have, is it a quad? It is a quad, nice. Oh boy. I mean, I do like this exhaust, but it's time for an aftermarket is just killer, bro. And I don't know if you've heard these 6.2s straight piped, but they're amazing. Oh my goodness, what are you, who let you do this? Who let you? All right, anything else in there?
Me.
Except for you?
Best present of all.
Okay, so I got you. I picked out custom tips for you. Yeah, be really careful opening those. You don't want to scratch them. Oh, so that's cool. They look just like the factory AMG tips too. Come on, open it. Okay. You're taking so long. You gotta rip them.
I'm trying to be careful.
Take off the cover. You gotta see what the finish is. Look how nicely wrapped this is. See, I know you really like the satin. Dude, for these guys, so they have a few options. They have like the stainless, they have the blue, and then they have the satin black. And we have so many carbon bits on this that.
Oh, that's gonna look so good.
All right, put this with the other stuff. Let's see what the rest of it looks like.
It goes these.
Yeah, so these are gonna come from your headers.
Right.
Yeah, so these are your headers, and it's gonna go to the mid-Y pipe right here, and then it's gonna go off to your mufflers. And these mufflers are gonna have the option to be basically straight piped or closed. So our angry lady behind us might not be too pissed when you start it up. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be really loud. I was just about to say, so I really like the ARMYTRIX quality because everything they have is all mandrel bent, and it's like, it always fits so well. Oh.
What are you doing? I feel like you're gonna put the SpongeBob 3 eternities later.
I can, yeah, it's easy.
2,000 years later.
Come on.
I can help you if you want. So, there's part 1. Oh boy.
Is this where we put the, what do we do here?
That's the O2 bung.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
In here too?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see your method. It's best.
It's always best. What are you talking about?
No.
I am the best at unboxing all of the things. What are you talking about? I'm just the best. Boom. See, look at that. Precision, agility. I'm like Captain Price with a box cutter.
Who's Captain Price?
No, don't worry about it.
Is that Halo?
No, it's Call of Duty.
Hey, knife please.
Okay. Oh, I scratched it. I'm just kidding.
Why pipe?
Sick, dude. Pretty killer. Well, dude, look at this. This like little resonator is so nice. It's like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Holy crap. And that's just gonna slide on there. That's gonna slide on to, right, yeah. Really good welds and quality control too, dude. I'm always just so impressed. Nice, dude. That's gonna be so sweet. This too, dude. I love the way that the resonators look. That is unreal. You slide it over here. So this is what this is the ARMYTRIX Valvetronics deal. This is gonna be regulated by vacuum. And so when you open it up, this little valve opens or closes and basically bypasses and straight pipes the exhaust. But we do still have this guy right here, so the resonator is gonna help a lot. When you have big raspy V8s like this, it's really important to make sure you have good tone and not just volume, but we're gonna have both here. You're gonna have lots of volume. I think you might have the loudest car out of any of us after this is over.
I don't know what to do. You pulled it off so well.
Huh?
I had no idea.
Good, that's good. ARMYTRIX and I was like, dude, we gotta keep it secret. And I had to go through some loopholes to make it happen, but I am really excited that it worked out because she's very smart and she can detect anything happening from a mile away. And so the fact that I could pull this off, stoked.
I usually know who the imposter is, right?
There you go, babe. Here is your ARMYTRIX exhaust. Don't be surprised if you see some more surprise videos here pretty soon because Jaren.
Oh.
I've got 2 things for Jaren that she has no idea about and she's gonna be stoked. So if you see like surprise, 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 well, they're all legit surprises.
That's how we do it. I'm so impressed with how well they package their stuff. Like,
Well, yeah, it's nice. I would hope they package it well.
I know, but I mean,
They do a killer job.
the detail with everything.
I freaking love this matte black. Did I do a good job? Did I do a good pick?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yay. I'm a very visual guy. I just want to see this on here. Ooh, buddy! That's gonna look sick! Here we go. So tomorrow, we'll get this sucker on, and you will be officially loud enough to make the neighbors hate you, and not just me. I'm super excited to hear how this thing sounds. I know it's gonna sound absolutely incredible. This big 6.2, again, these W204s sound so mean with an exhaust. All right, give me one last startup with this. Well, I guess not one last one, but that sounds good, but it's gonna be so much better. Big thanks to ARMYTRIX. If you guys wanna check out any of their products, I'll leave a link for you guys in the description just to go to their site. So stoked we were able to surprise Victoria. I was so worried she was gonna like figure it out. I always leave you guys with daily advice. So honestly, what I'm gonna tell you guys today is whatever you're going through right now, whatever it is, I promise you can get through it. I promise. Some obstacles and some bumps are way bigger than others. Some burdens are heavier and some things might seem harder to escape, but I'm just telling you, if you have the right willpower and you surround yourself with the right people, I promise you can get through whatever you are going through. You guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time for Straight Piping the Wifey's W204. Have an amazing day. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you to watch. By the way, watch those videos. I got other stuff going on. We rebuilding the barn find. I got subscribe.